In this video, we'll be making this animation for the code using HTML and CSS. Get ready for it and let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is Codecraft. You can learn coding fastly and efficiently. As you can see, I have created an HTML and CSS file. The CSS file is empty and I have linked the CSS file also in the HTML. The first thing here is this. I will create a div and the class name will be this code. Inside the div, I'll create two other div. The first will be class name bg and the second will be class name blob. That's all. Now going to my CSS, but first I will run the live server. Going to CSS. Now first here I will start for the body. The display will be flags, justify content center, align item will be center, and the min height will be 100 ph. Next I'll start for the code. The first will be width will be 200 pixel and height will be 250, and the next will be position, relative, border radius will be 40 pixel, and also the z index will be a layer, I mean the whatever you want, and the overflow will be hidden. Here the display will be flags and justify content will be center, and also the align item will be center. The next will be flags direction, it will be column, and also the box shadow will be 20, and this will be 60. This will be give the color, and again minus 20, and this will be 60 blur, and the color will be white. I think that's good. Now into browser. As you can see, the code is appears now. It's good. Now the next I will style for the bg, and the first will be background. It will be RGBA 255 and 0.95 opacity. That's good. The next will be position, absolute, top 5, and also left 5. The height will be 240, the width will be 190. Also z index will be here, I think 2, and the backdrop filter will be blur and 24 pixel, and also border radius 10. Next will be overflow hidden, and the last will be outline, it will be 2 pixel solid. That's good. As you can see now, that's good. And the next I will style for the blob. Side is first I will say the position absolute, and the top 50%, left 50%. Z index will be 1, and also the border radius 50%, width 150, height 150, and also the background color will be this, and the next opacity will be, I think, 1. You can change the background color to whatever you want. I will select this. That's good, yes. And the filter will be blur, I think not blur 12. animation will be lost. Say the animate will be 5 second infinity, and this will be that's code. I will show you the preview. Here you can see now I have to rotate this also. I will write the animation for it. Name will be animate, add 0. First it will be transform, translate will be -100% from x and also for y, and the next will be translate 3D, it will be 0 0 0. And there we go. I will go to my browser and you can see this animation. I think that's good. You can also change the color through this. I will change the color to red again and show you this. The background color of this, change it to this one. That's good. And there we go. You can see that's pretty much an animated effect you can use in your code. That's all in this video. I hope you will have enjoyed this, and if you like the video, press the like button and also press the subscribe button. And I think I have a bunch of videos like this on my channel. You can check out this, and I have made the playlist also. Thanks for watching the video.